Welcome, everybody, to Milo's new adventure. Yes, step back, relax, grab you something to snack on. Enjoy, guys. Let's get into it.
Ah, bring it in here, Big Daddy. Trying to get up with this boat, huh? I kind of got in front of that bass boat right there, but the guy with the bass boat, the guy's gone to get the trailer. The tidewater, at the tidewater. Cool. He's blowing the horns over there. There's a traffic jam over there. Big traffic jam. Nobody can get through. Yelling and stuff. This is when everybody will start getting mad and yelling and stuff. There's no room, nowhere to go. They have to. This guy down here saying something. He's saying something about. I don't know if you heard that. Oh, that guy cut up there with his boat. Oh, he's mad. I don't see who he's yelling at up there, but I do. He's yelling at somebody over there. He said, why don't you stay out here and wait like everybody else? Instead of coming in front of everybody. Wow. Madhouse. Madhouse, baby. Got these two boats. Trailers flying around up there. Wow, bunch of people over there. Uh-oh, I just felt a drip of rain. Oh, wow, cool. Everybody getting off that boat out there, on the left out there. That one there, he's going for it. They got that one on back there. They're going for it with this boat. A whole bunch of sea-doos just came in. About three or four sea-doos. Wow, what a rush, what a mad rush, guys, what a mad rush. Wow. You got there. Wow. Wow. It's hard to know what to get, guys. It's going so crazy here. Alright, this guy's going for it. The boat on the left, they got that up to the dock finally. Not sure what's going on there. Oh, that guy over there on the left, he keeps blasting on that boat. Wow. This guy's going for it. Slow. He's going for it. Oh. Boy, it's gone crazy, guys. People everywhere, cars everywhere, boats, sea-doos. Golly. Got a boat right behind him headed out.
Hey, Mike, come move this truck. Mike, come move this truck.
Yelling about move that truck. Not sure what's happening.
Come on, man. What's in there? This is what happens when a group of four comes to a boat ramp. Yeah, I am coming. Stay on up. Okay. Yeah, move it over. Thank you.
I guess he parked the trailer and then went and got the boat, and somebody else come up behind him, I suppose.
Tell him he needs to come back a little. I'll tell him when.
So they're moving that truck up there. He ended up moving it over for him.
Yep. Good.
Oh, look out, guys. Hang on. Oh, boy. He's crossed up. I seen that one guy do that one time, and he ended up way up on the fender and all kinds of stuff. No. Yeah, it's pretty steep over there, that's for sure. He's out of there, though. Bye-bye. Take her home. He's still trying here, blasting away here. Okay. The one on the left's out. Oh my. Wow. I think they got that one out of there. Okay. Another big boat coming in, guys. Oh, look out.
Somebody's going on the left side. No? Are you? I'm going on the left side or right? We're about to be in 8.
Have a good day, guys. All right, they're coming in. I heard a bunch of stuff, but I didn't really know what they were saying, so. All All right. Trying to get to the dock there. I think we're going to call it here, guys, before long. Been a busy day over here. Kind of calmed down. Another boat coming in.
Go in the back.
They got a little ways to go. They go into the trailer. Headed to the trailer. Boat in over there, guys. Boat headed for that trailer right there. Looks like these guys are out there partying, having a good time today. Another boat in over there. Party! The other boat in here. Kind of calmed down. Another boat coming in.
Go in the back.
Wow, what a long boat. Bring it in, Big Daddy. All right. Yeah. That's a nice boat. That's one of those Yamahas. Okay, we got a boat over here. Wow. Nice colors on that boat. Very nice. Yes, sir. Not too bad. Oh, look out. All right, he's right on the trailer there, going for it, right in. Not sure what he was doing, but he knew what he was doing. Okay, yeah, he made it. Very nice. Nice American flag up there. Thank you, for all the veterans out there that has fought and died for our freedoms of this country. I appreciate that. They sacrifice a lot for us, guys. I don't know if anybody's ever thanked a vet like that, but you ought to try. Ah, he's blowing a horn.